Hello everyone, I'm Jack. Today I will teach you how to adjust the machine horizontal line. See here, this is scan head. Here, it means 100 focus length. The focus distance is 2.3 millimeter. 200 focus length focus distance is 345 millimeter. Now this length is 200 length, so we need to make sure use a ruler mirror. From this working table, we need a mark on this surface. From here to this edge, need 345 millimeter. Like this. If we want to mark on this surface, we need to use a ruler, measure the distance from here to here. Now we can see here is 310 millimeter. So we need to set from software. First, draw a text. Then fixture offset 35. Okay. Click right. You found the z-axis is move automatically. Okay, you can see from here to this edge is 345 millimeter. Then we can mark on this surface. That's okay.